Hey guys, Tech Timmy here. So in this video, we're going to be unboxing the Medical King Solar Eclipse sunglasses, and we're gonna do it right now. Let's go. Okay, so a bit of a different type of video for you guys today. So we have a full solar eclipse actually coming up day after tomorrow. So that's by Monday, April the 8th, I believe it is. And it's going to be I guess it's called totally viewable if it's a full solar eclipse. So basically the sun's going to get blocked out completely. And I thought this is something that I absolutely want to bear witness to, but I wanted to be as safe as possible about it. So I found these protective glasses designed specifically for solar eclipses from a company called Medical King, that they do seem to have a variety of different types of glasses and things that are all well reviewed and seemingly well received after going through a bunch of the reviews on Amazon and also elsewhere. And I thought with this one, again, this is going to be a little bit different, but I figured I would actually read the instructions, which I would typically never do in a video, but I'm actually going to read it because I think it's actually key for this, and that anybody wearing these things should think of safety as sort of the first option. I also printed out some notes for you guys just to go through sort of some of the specs and explain a little bit about some of the certifications, which I was curious about. So hopefully this will be a learning experience for the both of us. So user instructions: prior to each use, thoroughly inspect the product for any signs of damage, of course, tears, punctures, blah, blah, blah. Discard and do not use if conditions are observed. Avoid using the product with other optical devices. And important to note, this is not a toy. Children should be supervised, blah, blah, blah. Usage should be limited to a maximum of 3 minutes continuously with intermittent breaks spanning several hours. I don't know if I think this one is going to last, I believe it's a matter of minutes, so not hours. And then during use, refrain from engaging activities such as moving around, operating machinery, or driving motor vehicles. So these are not the sunglasses you want to wear in your car. Additionally, refrain from using this product if you have a diseased eye or have recently undergone eye surgery. So interesting. And then directly viewing the sun without adequate eye protection can result in permanent damage. To safeguard your eyes, ensure that you always wear eclipse glasses within any part of the sun is visible. Use eye protection specifically designed for viewing the sun to prevent harmful rays from reaching your eyes. Remember to clean the product using a soft cloth or tissue only. Finally, it's crucial to discard and refrain from using the product after 3 years to ensure optimal safety. Great. So then without further ado, let's take a look at these. So there are a bunch of paper versions of these, or cardboard versions of these types of glasses online, but I want something a little bit nicer, so I want the plastic. All right, they're interesting. So they look a little bit like the 3D glasses you get at the movies. So not super stylish. I'm hoping my lighting doesn't reflect in the lenses here. That was a concern. It looks like it's not going to. So this is what they look like. And so they're not Ray-Bans. And they're actually less stylish than I was thinking they would be, but that's really not the point, right? So you're going to wear them for a matter of minutes, presumably, to watch an eclipse, and that's basically it. I went with the 6-pack because I figure if I happen to head into the office on Monday, I can actually share these with some of my colleagues and just hand them out and make some friends. So this is 6 packs, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the ones that I already opened is the 6th pair. They include a total solar eclipse path and local start times. Interesting. Is this for so I'm in Boston, and they're saying that, I think I heard 2:30 in the afternoon. So a little bit about some of the certifications, and for me, this was key. I wanted to make sure that they weren't just NASA certified, but so these are basically certified by, I'm just going to refer to my notes here. So, and I'll hold up the glasses while I do it so you guys can actually see what they look like. Maybe we'll throw another one over here. So they're CE certified. So that's the European Conformity Certification. Also ISO certified, which ISO is International Standards Organization. And then the other one was AAS. So they're American Astronomical Society approved, not necessarily certified, but approved. I feel like that's all well and good, and more importantly, I think than that is, I think there's something like 10,000 units of these sold in the past month. So lots of folks are buying these for good reason, and presumably because the reviews are so good. So I just wanted to do a, sort of an unboxing video, give you guys a look at these if you're curious like me, in terms of what they look like before you actually buy them. Very much like 3D glasses that you would get at the movies, at least some of the cooler versions of the 3D glasses you get at the movies, not the old paper style. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I'll show you, I'll put these on and show you what they look like on my big fat head. And then just a couple of other things. So they're designed to be adjustable. It says they can be comfortably worn over prescription eyewear. So that would presumably mean like contacts. So I'll have my contacts in, and maybe you can actually put these on over your glasses. I don't really know, and I wouldn't recommend it based on what it says on the outside of the box. But this here is saying that you can potentially do that. Okay, so features advanced technology to shield eyes from IR, UV, and 99.9999% of visible light, making it safe for solar observations. I did notice some folks had complained that they're actually a little bit too dark, and I guess we're going to find out. That's the only complaint that I got. Others have said that they work actually perfectly great for viewing eclipses. So that was the idea. And just to take a little bit of a closer look at this, so certified, so we have the DAC certificate of conformity, so that's yet an additional certification. And so there you go. And there's also, you have this UPC your scan code here for your phone if you want to scan to find medical, among other NASA, so additional resells if you want to buy some more. So kind of cool. I mean, actually the cool thing is the eclipse is coming. I'm looking forward to that. And yeah, so if you want to, actually, let me switch over. I can show you what the glasses look like on my head right now, and then we'll close out the video with that. So here we go. Ready? Whoop. All right. So as promised, here are what the Medical King Solar Eclipse glasses look like on my large head. Here we go. And they are very dark and definitely makes it hard to see. In fact, it's like having a blindfold on, so you're not going to wear these for anything other than looking at a solar eclipse, but based on all the reviews, they seem to work pretty awesome. So I'm looking forward to the solar eclipse on Monday. Hope you are too. Drop me a comment below, let me know your experience if you do get these glasses, what it was like, and I will send an update after the eclipse as well. But enjoy. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Cheers.